So what's up guys, it's me, Kangaroo here, and god damn it. So today we're gonna be playing Minecraft Ocean. Only Ocean. So let's get it. Oh, why can I not? Oh yeah, okay, finally. So it's only gonna be Ocean. So if you see, I'm just gonna pause the game for a second. If you see there's a ship below me. So let's regenerate. And let's go down. Why does it feel like I have adventure mode on myself? God damn it. Let's try to destroy this. We only need 2 wood for the axe. Now we need 3. Okay, so let's try to explore the ship quick. Is there a door? Yes, there is. Oh yeah, so there's the door here, so we can destroy this. You see, I'm actually smart. And I think this is gonna be the main. Well, that's great. We found. He gave us food. Because getting good food in this is gonna be hella hard. So we can only eat fish, and if we are lucky, we can find something good to eat. So let's make an axe and a pickaxe. I almost made a goddamn slab. So let's destroy the crafting table. And let's destroy the door. And now leave the ship. Abandoned ship. And now let's look for a place where will be not so deep. Because this pirate ship was kind of crap. It was kind of crap. Well, we got food, but well, I don't really need food. Don't want to be spoiled. Okay, let's go here. Let's go where there is iron. And let's mine here. So see, now we have like a mini house. Which you can make a house. But I'm only here for one thing. It's called iron. So now let's place a crafting table here. And I need more wood. I didn't talk about this. Let's go back to the ship. And I think if you mine it, no, yes, I remember if you mine it below, it will break. So let's place it here. Oh my god, we found the main route. I'm gonna drown. Ooh, what a close call that was. Someone just vibrated my foot. Something just vibrated my foot and I got so scared. Okay, so this is the main route. Thank God we found something. Something useful for once. Wait, can I reach this? Oh my god, I can. I'm pro. Now we are just gonna mine the wood below us. Now we have wood, and let's go back to the cave. If I'm right, the cave is somewhere here. Yes, it is. I see it. See the 2 little eyes. So let's go to the space here. And let's make an iron. And maybe I needed it. Okay, let's make some sticks. And let's make some doors. So it's because we need to go somewhere, and we're not gonna be just the same place for the goddamn series. Okay, let's take the thing that we promised to take. So I'm gonna make it like this, so if the water comes, it won't basically drown me. Yeah, but what I can do is like this. Okay, for now I'm gonna leave it here because I'm still gonna be needing to dig the crafting table. So I'm just only gonna use this for mining. Wait. Can I make a axe so it'll be way easier? Yes, I still have enough. So yeah, how's your day been going? My is kinda great. I went to my doctor because I got hit by a truck, by the way. I went to my doctor to fix my teeth. No, not fix it. They put medicine in my teeth because like, the tragic accident happened. A semi truck came for 5 miles an hour. I'm just kidding. Came for like 50 days through America to me and hit me. But I know I'm making a joke of a serious thing, but like it was an accident. The guy didn't mean to. The guy didn't mean to hit me. Well, the guy didn't hit me. The truck hit me because he wasn't in the truck. If he was in the truck, he will be dead. If he was in the truck, he will be dead, very dead. When I watched the news, I saw I saw the metal pole. It was in the driver's seat, where the driver was supposed to be, but he wasn't. So that means if he was in the truck, he will be dead. So I only got hit with my friend and my classmate. I'm not gonna call him my friend because he's goddamn annoying. He was super annoying those days when I was with him. Hell annoying when I said to him, "Shut up." He just said, "I don't shut up, I throw up." I don't shut up, I grow up. No, just kidding. But he was super annoying. Okay, we found a tight space here, so now don't need it. We can mine some coal. Get some torches. I don't know why torches are gonna be a thing in here, but we found caves like this, it will. And there's iron. So yeah, I only had a broken pelvis. I broken my pelvis, my wrist, my nose, my jaw. But basically my nose and arm and pelvic bone, it's fixed. But the only thing it isn't fixed, my teeth aren't. Because my front teeth, my front top teeth are suffering right now. God damn, put the door. Yeah, they are suffering right now of being dead. Because there were 2 teeth are dead, and they need to put in medicine so they will keep on. They won't just demolish yourself, self-destruct mode. So yeah. So let's go back to my space. Well, not my space, but space. You know what I mean. Me funny. No. I won't die. I won't die right now. Oh, I'm dead. Ooh, I almost died because of a zombie. How lucky was that? Very actually lucky. So let's seal off this space and let's make it. I think it's gonna be easier to find diamonds because we're literally in the ocean. So today is what I need to do is to get full iron on. First episode, getting full iron. I almost made chest plate with the goddamn furnace with raw iron. So yeah, so basically I have a memory fart. So what it means to me, I have a very short memory, so I will forget everything like in 15 seconds. Not everything like in 15 seconds, but if something was important So if someone said something important to me, I would just forget. So yeah, but somehow like I was saying, somehow I don't forget about the Blaster because I'm still messaging him. Blaster. So I think I'm gonna make this base. I don't know because it's still really bad to make a base in the ocean. Because you're in a cave, if you're going down, you lose oxygen, you're dead. In night, I don't think nights are very dangerous on this version. Not this version on this stuff. Because you're literally on the island. Wait, let me look tonight. And it's getting night. Okay, before it gets full night, I'm gonna go to the boat and gonna mine all of the wood. Because I'm gonna be needing to make a boat. I'm gonna go to the boat and get a boat. (2021) logic. Let's collect all the wood so before it doesn't respawn somehow. Well, I'm gonna need all of the wood, so this is basically enough. I'm gonna be on the. I don't know when I get full diamond on the 5th or 4th. I'm dead. I'm dead once again. I forgot to make torches. And I don't even have a shield. Wait, big brain. Big brain? He not see me? Okay, he see me? Me eat? We need to eat? And boom. Okay, I need torches. But give me like 2 of these. For a second I thought mobs aren't gonna be a problemo, but it is a problemo. Okay, so how much do I have right now? Okay, I have enough to make chest plates and boom, boom, and boom. Now I only need 4 pants, which I'm gonna be needing 7. And I'm gonna make a boat. And let's make a shield for cases like this. So yeah, now I'm full iron. Look at me, I'm full iron and you're not. Do you like my skin? I actually made it myself. I just took a kangaroo skin and just made a Lithuanian flag as I'm Lithuanian. LOL, Rebozo. So if you're asking why do I still have carrots, I'm gonna make a farm with these carrots. Like an actual farm. And now let's salvage all of these doors. Just torches here. And let's go back. Up the news. And now let's go try to find a small flat area to call home. Or let's try to find another ship. And dolphin killed the fish. Well, the fish definitely didn't drown. Definitely didn't. And we found another chest. But this one has these underwater bastards. Let's try to speedrun. What the heck is that root? Go! My W keys are. My key isn't working. What happened was I broke it. It is still on, but sometimes when I'm playing games, the W key just tries to leave. I just tries to break off. If you're asking why do I need to find a great area, because I need to find the area with. Is that a crystal cave? How is it called? Because I don't see that's the crystal cave. Well, the cave where there's crystals. You know what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna place down my dark, and it's gonna take me 5 hours to break in. Yep, it is. Oh no, where they aren't grown-ups. They didn't grow fully. Only this thing did. Okay, 4 will be enough, but I'm gonna take this and this box. Well, it is still very cool that I've actually... okay, there's dirt over here, so let's go take some dirt for the farm I'm gonna be making soon on DVD. And let's try to find a large area to actually build, because a small area is gonna be a bad area. You see, like here, this is a good area. Another crystal cave. And a sunken ship. It is backwards. Imagine if Minecraft added chests in backwards. Oh my god. Cursed. Oh my god. Shoo. 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 Ahaha. LOL bozo. Oh my god. Take crappy loot. There's another one. Oh, okay, for a second I thought there was another one. Oh my god, I don't need the map. I already know the way. Ooh. So let's go to the place where I saw the mini hill. So I'm gonna make the camp there. Now where did I start the hill? Okay, it was here. Okay, where is mine? Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, almost got stuck. Oh, no, god damn it. Okay, now let's put a furnace and a crafting table. I'm gonna put it the other way, but still I'm gonna be needing to make some ladders. I don't have enough. Okay. And now let's just expand. So it's gonna be like this and this. Oh, jinkies! Oh, god damn it. Oh my god, I need to become a good builder. Why does it look like hashtag? Hashtag YOLO. This, and this. And done. So this is gonna be it for the video. If you, god damn it, can I just, okay, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Oh my god, my mouse is hanging as usual. Gonna be seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.